Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on the daily newspaper of Friday, August the 18th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the tectonic and the medium Sudoku. And in the evening, I will solve 4 of the puzzles. In additional, we have here an additional with 7 extra puzzles. The letter Sudoku with 0 stars, and I think this one is a 1-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic, aka jigsaw puzzle Sudoku. Yeah, in Dutch they call it cypherblock, in Japanese Sudoku. This one is 4 stars, and this one has 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. In these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Told you, half of them, 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Alright, what's the news of today? Well, there's not a lot of news here. Playing children, and because the holiday season, the end of the holiday season, it's the end of the holiday season, because Monday all the schools are open. Anyway, let's go back to the medium Sudoku. Let me zoom this. Yes, zoom this out. This will be number 6942. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 5 missing numbers. In the first column, one of the missing numbers is a 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 in the first column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the column next, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. 9, okay. 7. How about 1, 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in the first row. One of the missing number is the 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in the first row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Well, in this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 in this box. Here, 7 in the row above, so no 7 there. And here can it be a 7, because we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 in this column should be there. Alright. Okay. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the second column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here, 6 in the first row, so no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6, okay. Wait, 6, okay. 6. Then 1. Need a 1 there. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright, 4, 4, 4, 4. Yes, 2 missing numbers in the first row for the 1. 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And we have a pair, the 2 and the 4 in this column, the 2 and the 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2, 2. Okay. Need a 4. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this row, so no 2 and a 4 in this box. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 8. 8, 8, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here and 8 in this column, so no 8 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. 3, 3. 3, 3. 2, 9. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. Okay. 4, 4. Yeah, 4, 4. Let me think. 1 and the 5. We had 2 missing numbers in this big square. One was the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So in the row between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4, 4. 2 and the 6. Okay. And now 6, 6 and a 1. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 in this big square. So no 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 5. 1, 1. 4, 5. Let me think. 5 and the 7. Yeah. 5 and 3. 3, 2 and 7. 3, 2 and 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. One was the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7. Well, we have a pair. We have a 4 and a 7 in this column. a 4 and a 7 in the column next. So last column, the only 3 places left for the 4 and the 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. And look, we have a 4 and a 7 in this row, so no 4 and a 7 in this box. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8, 5, 6, 8. And look, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. This big square should be there. So the 6 and 8 are left. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this column for us. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5. Okay. 3 in this column. 3 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Alright. Then 1 and 8. Come on. 8, 1, 4. 8, need an 8 there. Well, in this row, we need an 8 in the middle row. Here can be an 8 because we have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. Here can be an 8 because we have 8 in the middle column, so no 8 there. So the 8 in the middle row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in the third column, so no 8 there. Only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. And now, 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 6, 5. We have a 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 7 and 5, we have a 5 now in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 7 goes there. 7 and 4, we have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row, middle row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes there. 9 in this column. Oh, we already have a 9 here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. A 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 6 and 8, we have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here 6 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and then 9 goes there, finishing 14 minutes. Well. Faster than the 15 to 20 minutes, my time limit. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, a tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.